Honestly, I think I'm not very familiar with how advertising has evolved, like in a very detailed way. Um, but I definitely think that there has been a shift. I think earlier in advertising, women were often shown only as homemakers and always like the person who's bringing the food, like cooking in the kitchen and bringing the food to the table. Not that one should not respect homemakers, but it was like a constant repetition of that kind of representation. So I think those things have shifted, gradually. Like there are more working women that you see in advertising. You also see more men helping out in household chores, which was again something you see dads dropping off their kids to school. Those all, like, that was kind of imagery which earlier was not that prevalent. Even if you think about like the iconic Cadbury's ad, which initially had like the guy playing cricket and the girl goes and runs onto the field, and then they reversed it to have the girl playing cricket and the guy runs onto the field. So I do feel things have changed, but I also feel that we are still very content with a safe kind of feminism. Sometimes it's tokenism. I really often feel that, because it's like I feel that eventually things will change only by challenging the status quo in a harder way, because eventually, like the power structures are very entrenched, and I do feel that there's often a tendency to be like, as long as we keep saying no, let's not offend the men and things like that. So it's always this thing of playing safe, and take that step but not 10 steps, take that step but like only maybe just that much. So I do feel there's a sort of safety net within which corporate feminism functions, which is like you make a big deal about Women's Day and have a lot of branding around it. I think all of it is good. All of it is a step forward. But for someone like me, obviously, I'm always feeling like it's not good enough and it's not radical enough. And I do feel that does sort of also work its way into popular culture vis-a-vis films and series, where again there's often a tendency for studios to feel like, oh, but this is just a bit too much. Can you make the female character more likable? That kind of a thing. So there's always this thing of go forward but still rein it in. So I think for me that's something that remains to be challenged, but I think all the steps forward are good.
Steps forward.
Yes, yes.
Essentially.